September 2021 English Junior in 5 seconds. Begin. Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I would like to thank the honorable members for the suggestions they have made during the course of the debate. In the course of the discussion, I have received appreciation as well as criticism. I very much appreciate the keen interest shown by the members on the various difficulties faced by the people of this state and brought them to the attention of the government for necessary early action. It may not be possible for me to reply to each suggestion made by the members. However, I would like to assure the honorable members that their suggestions will be taken into consideration by the government. I wish to state that most of the honorable members have spoken about the new education policy of the central government, employment opportunities, healthcare, and economy of the state. As far as I am concerned, I can say that there has been a general satisfaction in the state about the budget with regard to the new education policy. I would like to point out that this government had categorically opposed the three language policy when the draft national education policy was released and maintained the stand in favor of two language policy. I would like to inform that in regard to other issues in the new education policy, the government has constituted a committee to go through the policy and make recommendations to the government. I am of the opinion that the government is very well aware that opportunities for employment should be created. Keeping this in mind, top priority is being accorded for promotion and strengthening of primary sector and attracting greater investments in manufacturing and service sectors. I am very well aware that medical assistance is one of the important needs of the people. With this object in mind, various measures such as providing health insurance cover, construction of new hospitals, and strengthening of existing hospitals were taken by the government, and as a result, we have been able to bring down death rate. I would like to state that the efforts of the government to improve the health and welfare of the people have succeeded to a great extent. Regarding economy, I would like to point out that state continues to focus on the primary and secondary sectors, and I am sure this budget will generate a new hope among the people. Thank you. Letter from Raman and Company, Madurai to Messrs. Srinivasan and Sons, Chennai. We are in receipt of your letter dated the 5th instant and noted the contents therein. In your letter, you have requested us to supply 500 table fans within a week. We wish to thank and express our happiness to accept the order. In this connection, we regret to inform you that it may not be possible for us to meet your demand immediately in view of some labor problem in our factory. We hope that it will be sorted out soon, and we assure you that we are taking all possible steps to supply the items in time. We wish to inform that in case if there is little delay in the execution of your order, we request you to kindly bear with us. We request you to look into the matter and see that the old bills are settled immediately. Thanking you, yours faithfully.